What's up, Mercedes guys? Quick update on the rear bumper. You guys have seen this thing chilling at the lake, the rivers, camping. And when I've got the spare tire out of the way, it really didn't stay. There was nothing there to keep it from coming back on me. So I just quick welded a piece on there and a latch. And now that problem is solved. Boom. Tire's stuck, doesn't matter if this thing's hanging off a tree backwards. That tire ain't coming back. Another thing you're looking at is this is still empty. I just haven't gotten around to it. Put my jerry can holder, so that jerry can full of gas is eventually going to be on there. Using these, and I'm going to encompass them in diamond plate. Jesus Christ. Diamond plate is no. But I gotta take that out in the backyard on the why am I trying to say vise? The press. Yeah, I gotta take it on the press and dimple dye it so it looks nice, you know. Just like this stuff. It's gonna look identical. You know what I mean? OCD trying to match. So it'll look cool like that. But yeah, I got some additional slider orders to fill. More metal to bend, more stuff to cut, more stuff to weld. So until then, see you guys later and hit you up with another update.